How do I deactivate my TikTok account? Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate my TikTok account. First, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log in to the account you want to deactivate. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Here, tap on the menu in the top right corner to access settings. After that, you need to go to Settings and Privacy. Now, from this menu, tap on Account to access your account. Next, tap on Deactivate or Delete Account given right below the Download Your Data option. TikTok may use different wording, but there should be an option to deactivate or delete your account. Here, tap on Deactivate Account option as we just want to temporarily deactivate our account. Next, tap on the Deactivate button given at the bottom. After that, you will need to verify your account. Once you're done, tap on the Deactivate Account button to confirm your selection. TikTok will likely ask you to confirm your decision and may provide information about the consequences of deactivation. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with deactivating your account. Keep in mind that deactivating your TikTok account is different from permanently deleting it. Deactivating will temporarily suspend your account, and you can reactivate it by logging in again. If you decide to permanently delete your account, that option might be available in the same settings area. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.